Hello YouTube. Information number 1. Freeze green onions in a plastic bottle. Make sure the green onions are completely dry before storing or they'll get freezer burn. Information number 2. Get an ethylene gas absorber for the fridge. A set of 3 costs $16. These little pods absorb the ethylene emitted by fruits and vegetables to keep them fresh up to 3x longer. Here's a handy list of ethylene producing and ethylene sensitive foods. Information number 3. Store delicate herbs like flowers, then cover with plastic, secure with a rubber band, and refrigerate. This is the best way to keep delicate herbs like parsley, basil, cilantro, and chives fresh the longest. Don't forget, subscribe for more videos.